It never gets old. All right, now that I have your attention, let's go over the aptly named 1 3/4 Accordion Hosepack. Here's a demonstration of the two-person V-split deployment. And after we get those straps off, we pull the first loop from the bail, grab from both sides a couple loops in, and voila! Easy peasy. And while their partner's making easy peasy pie, this firefighter is dropping the Y. Really? Who wrote the script? Oh, and don't forget to tie that off. And here's one of our more dapper captains demonstrating how to get it done one person on a landing. What is it, dapper? What century is this? It could be the scenario if you have your partner getting the 2.5 inch to you down below. All right, nice work getting that tied off. And then here's an excellent demonstration of the V-split. Look at that. Just beautiful. And then for style points, you're just going to walk back there, do a little quick cleanup, and then boom, water coming. Quick shout out to Sean John for this drone camera footage. It's pure artwork. Speaking of art, these firefighters are demonstrating a stairwell deployment, placing it on the landing, and one of them is going to go down to the standpipe, and the other one's going to go up and get the hose line set up. Yeah, look at that footage. And here's the same thing, just side by side, because, you know, the editor secretly thinks it's funny that you're going cross-eyed right now, but just pick a side, watch it again. For the sake of brevity, we won't watch them clean it up, but it looked good. And this can be a one-person operation. If you're one of those people that absolutely love the way the Cleveland Hosepack was able to coil up in a tight spot, here's a workaround with the accordion. We're grabbing every other loop, just like that. And then bada bing. Oh, this doesn't take too long. And then we're going to go ahead and, pick it up and then put it neatly back down on the ground. Clean it up. All right, let's get some water. And here's a good old tried method where you're standing in the middle of the coils so they don't get all kinked up. And here's another method in case you happen to be in a tight spot like a fire escape. Put your hands on the railing, or you can put them against a wall and get it deployed just like that. Hey, I know what you're thinking right now. You're thinking, well, how do I make this beautiful contraption? Captain Clue's going to show us right now. See, he's putting that tape right in the middle. He found the middle point, marking it. And then you're going to do exactly what that says there. Measure 63 inches from the tip of the nozzle and mark with a line. This will be the length of your folds. Length without a G. Man, I knew I should have proofread this thing. Oh well, I don't have enough time. I mean, would you buy that the G key doesn't work? I need a new laptop. Anyways, this key right here, you got to put that first loop right there through the bail. Kind of holds everything together. Then you just got to remember when you're deploying it, that's the first thing you remove. All right, and then it just pays out super nice, and let's make this happen fast. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and put this thing together. So we got these nice straps we've put it on top of. Get those all cinched up nice and tight. And we had our gated Y, and we are ready to go. Now here's the configuration we have in the rig. 63 inches was key to keep that Hosepack B and everything in there tight. Putting the nozzle up on top. And then here's Hosepack A. You can see you got your gated Y down below. It goes nice, so when you pull it off, the gated Y is not smacking you in the face anymore. Then we're keeping that 6-foot whip left unattached. So it gives it a little bit of versatility. And for some of us vertically challenged people, I'll only speak for myself, but we can get this out. We can do it. Here's a good visual demonstration for you. And yeah, all you got choice there is some iron, so you better get those. But in all seriousness, this is a great Hosepack. It's more versatile and alleviates some of the concerns or issues that we had with the Cleveland before. And so get out there and train on it.